Quicken Interchange Format. It is a text format used to move data between financial apps. You can import this into Excel to view your transactions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's import the data. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering QIF files with corrupted internal metadata. This specific QIF file utilizes the proprietary rules governed by the data file field. It utilizes the Quicken Interchange Format. A QIF file is a data format used to transfer financial information between different applications, primarily associated with Quicken. It stores transaction data, including bank statements, investment portfolios, and other financial records. QIF files enable users to import and export financial data between different software programs, facilitating data sharing and analysis. QIF files are text-based and use a specific syntax to represent financial transactions. Each transaction is defined by a set of tags indicating the date, amount, payee, and other relevant details. The format is relatively simple, making it compatible with a wide range of financial software, although some applications may have limitations in the types of data they can import or export. You will typically find Intuit Quicken, developed by Quicken, associated with QIF. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows may offer minimal previews, but complete visibility requires a compatible application. Your first troubleshooting move. Right-click the QIF file and select Open With. Try launching it using Intuit Quicken if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If you still cannot open your QIF file, that is okay. Since the QIF file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, use Quicken. Open the file using Quicken, as this is the native application designed to import the transactional data. Next, use Import Wizard. Open Excel, go to Data. From Text, CSV to use the Import Wizard, which helps identify delimiters and headers. Finally, check Header. Open the QIF file in a text editor and ensure the first line contains the required type, header, e.g., type bank. If the Open With option couldn't handle your QIF file, we're likely dealing with a niche format. The best move now is to try a specialized tool built for stubborn QIF files. Move straight to the one-click QIF fix, File Magic. It's the most efficient universal file opening tool. Get it now at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like. A big thank you to all my viewers.